Hi butterflies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Stephanie with a Y. Don't forget to subscribe. It has been quite some time. Life has lifed. The heartaches, the disappointment, self-isolation, lonely, depression, the sadness. Everything is now starting to click. It's been heavy on my heart to do this, so I'm just like, whatever I look like, whatever is going on, I just have to get this off my chest. When I say the self-isolation stage is so necessary, the sad times, the hard times, the tough times is so necessary. Because in all honesty, if everything was fine, everything was dandy, then why would we ever see a reason to change? Why would we ever see a reason to grow, evolve? Right? These tough times that I went through or that I had to go through has brought a new perspective to my life. Going through that 75 hard challenge challenged me in every way, mentally, spiritually, physically. Like now I have to walk. I crave a good old walk. Whether it's to clear my mind or stretch my body, move my body, like I have to go on a walk. And that's something I adopted because of that challenge. When a lot of people ask me, well, Steph,
how do you stay so consistent? How do you do it? How do you stay focused? How don't you give up after a week? Like, this is hard.
Why, how? Girl, there is no secret sauce. There's no secret sauce. There's no secret answer. It's just that I got super uncomfortable and I had no choice but to change. I did make a little mini TikTok about this, so if you heard it before, no, you didn't. I was so uncomfortable. Once I realized that my behavior, my mentality was becoming my personality, I knew it was an issue. I started acting like that. I started being that insecure girl. I couldn't speak with confidence. I stopped wearing certain clothes. I stopped treating myself. Certain experiences, going out or like feeling beautiful, I deprived myself from certain things because I felt like I was not worthy, because I was not comfortable in my skin. Are you getting it? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? A lot of times we say that we want to do more. We want to be a better person, be an entrepreneur and live a successful life and live like this. But what are you doing right now that reflects that? You're telling me you want to be the next Ziara on YouTube, but you're not even posting. You are what you are doing. You say that, oh, I'm a lazy POS, I can never work out. Okay, then it's true. I've said this many times, but what you say is true. This is why your thoughts, you have to be so careful with your mindset, with what you're thinking, and what you're saying, what you're writing. All of that is coming into fruition whether you realize it or not. The way you perceive yourself is the way you're going to act, and the way you're going to act and behave is who you will be. Long story short, I was motivated to change. Of course it was hard. Of course I wanted to give up every single day. Of course I had to play catch up on reading. So I'm going to do my best, but I'm going to remember my why. Your why is going to be fundamental. This is everything. This is the foundation. If you don't know why you're working at your 9 to 5, then why would you even want to have a 9 to 5? Find that why, whether that is your family, for your sake, your health, or your happiness, your self-esteem, for a crush, or whatever the case may be. You have to have a why. There's always going to be a why for everything that you do. I know that I am designing my life. I know that I am creating a beautiful life. I am the creator, co-creator. But I am creating such a beautiful life, and I want to continue doing that. I want to continue making sure that I am happy, that I'm chasing after everything and anything that I want and desire, because who says that I can't? As difficult as it may seem, as long as this depression may seem, as haunting as all of this might feel and seem, do not give up. Keep pushing. We are blessed to be here another day, and that's because we have not fulfilled our purpose yet. God is so powerful that He will continue to wake you up day by day. He will continuously fight for you day by day. So how dare you sleep on your potential? Because there's no one on this earth that's just like you or I. We have something to bring to the world. We have something to bring to people. You are impacting lives whether you realize it or not. I really don't even know what we're going to title this video. I just had to say that it's all going to be okay. It all happens for a reason, and that I'm rooting for you. Babe, we are blooming right now. It is time to bloom unapologetically and be us. Embrace that authenticity. Bring it out. We need that. The world needs that. I hope this resonates with someone. Definitely let me know how you guys are going to continue blooming for the rest of the year. Something challenging that you're going to force yourself to do, or a dream that you kept pushing off? Like, what is scaring you right now but you're so curious about? Make sure to subscribe and like this video if it resonates with you, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next one, and fingers crossed we stay consistent. On that note, we are going to end this video off with some hopeful, positive affirmations. I love you, butterflies, and I will see you in the next one. Affirmations for hope and positivity. Repeat twice. I am allowed to start over and create a life that feels good to me. I refuse to ever give up on myself. I will speak to myself with love and grace. I believe that amazing things are making their way to me. I release doubt and make space for faith and trust. I trust in my intuition and my ability to navigate through hard times. I am aligning effortlessly with everything that I desire. I am grateful for the calmness and clarity in my life. I am the architect of my beautiful life. Each day is a new day for opportunities to find me with ease. I am allowed to start over and create a life that feels good to me. I refuse to ever give up on myself. I will speak to myself with love and grace. I believe that amazing things are making their way to me. I release doubt and make space for faith and trust. I trust in my intuition and my ability to navigate through hard times. I am aligning effortlessly with everything that I desire. I am grateful for the calmness and clarity in my life. I am the architect of my beautiful life. Each day is a new day for opportunities to find me with ease. Love you, butterflies. Until next time.